Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tree out of sponge. First, gather your materials. You will need a standard kitchen sponge, a pair of sharp scissors, some craft glue, and both green and brown acrylic paints. Make sure your sponge is completely clean and dry before you start. Also, it is a good idea to set up a protected work surface to keep your area tidy and free from any paint or glue spills. Now, let's prepare the sponge. Carefully cut your sponge into two distinct sections. One section should be larger, which will become the tree's foliage, and the other smaller piece will serve as the trunk. Take the larger piece and use your scissors to shape it into an irregular, rounded form. This will give it the natural look of a tree canopy. For the smaller piece, trim it into a rectangular or cylindrical shape to create a sturdy trunk. Next, we will add some color and detail. Take your brown acrylic paint and apply it evenly to the trunk piece. Make sure to cover all sides to give it a realistic bark effect. For the foliage sponge, use your green acrylic paint. You can even mix in a few different shades of green to add depth and texture, making it look more natural. After painting, set both pieces aside and allow them to dry completely. This usually takes about 30 minutes. Finally, let's assemble your sponge tree. Once both the foliage and trunk pieces are completely dry, apply a generous amount of craft glue to the top of the brown trunk. Carefully press the green foliage piece onto the glued surface, ensuring it is centered and stable. Hold the two pieces together firmly for at least 1 minute to allow the glue to set and create a strong bond. Your unique sponge tree is now complete. Be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.